Brace yourselves, adventurers of the unknown, as we embark on a journey to the brink of the unimaginable, exploring the top 10 natural disasters that could end the world in 2024. In a tale where reality blurs with the extraordinary, we venture into scenarios so powerful, so profound, they could reshape the very fabric of our planet. From the raging fury of the sun's flares to the silent, ominous threats lurking in the depths of space, each disaster we unveil is a stark reminder of nature's unpredictable force. These aren't mere speculations. They're windows into a future that could well be ours, a testament to the awe-inspiring and sometimes terrifying aspects of our world. So, let's dive headfirst into this thrilling odyssey of potential global catastrophes, each more spine-tingling than the last. And remember, as we unravel these epic tales, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your fellow thrill seekers, and subscribe for more breathtaking journeys into the heart of nature's might. First on our list is the looming threat of the Cascadia Big One, a colossal earthquake poised to strike the Pacific Northwest. Originating from the Cascadia subduction zone, where the ocean floor is forced beneath the North American landmass, this seismic giant is biding its time. With the potential to unleash a magnitude 9 quake, the impact would be cataclysmic. Picture this: a sudden, violent shaking that could collapse coastlines, displace entire communities, and trigger a monstrous tsunami. The ripple effects would be felt globally, from economic disruptions to humanitarian crises. This isn't mere fiction. Geological records reveal a chilling pattern, making the Big One not just a possibility, but an eventual certainty. Next, we turn our gaze to a sleeping giant with the power to plunge the world into darkness: the Toba supervolcano. Nestled in Indonesia, Toba's last eruption 74,000 years ago was a cataclysm that shaped human history. Today, it simmers quietly, but the threat of awakening is ever present. An eruption of this magnitude would spew colossal amounts of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, triggering a volcanic winter. Imagine the sun obscured, global temperatures plummeting, and agricultural collapse leading to widespread famine. The impact on humanity would be profound, affecting millions directly and billions more through cascading environmental and economic crises. Toba isn't just a volcano, it's a potential reset button for civilization as we know it. Turning our attention skyward, we confront the unpredictable fury of our own sun through solar flares and coronal mass ejections, CMEs. Solar flares are intense bursts of radiation, capable of unleashing energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs. Accompanying these flares are CMEs, massive clouds of solar plasma hurtled into space. If Earth finds itself in the path of a potent CME, the consequences could be dire. Think of a world plunged into darkness as satellites malfunction and power grids collapse. This solar storm scenario could cripple communication networks, disrupt global transportation, and trigger economic chaos. In a digitally dependent world, a severe solar event is not just a space phenomenon. It's a direct threat to our technological lifeline. In the vast expanse of space lies a cataclysmic phenomenon known as gamma ray bursts, GRBs, the universe's most powerful explosions after the Big Bang. These bursts emit intense beams of gamma rays capable of traversing galaxies. If Earth were to be in the crosshairs of a GRB, the results would be catastrophic. The burst could strip away our planet's protective ozone layer, leaving us vulnerable to the sun's deadly ultraviolet radiation. This cosmic onslaught would devastate ecosystems, particularly marine life, disrupting the food chain and depleting our oxygen sources. While the chances are slim, the sheer magnitude of a gamma ray burst's destructive power makes it a terrifying prospect in the cosmic roulette. The San Andreas Fault, a notorious fracture in the Earth's crust, presents a looming threat of a major earthquake with the potential to reshape California's landscape. Stretching over 750 miles, this tectonic boundary is a ticking seismic time bomb. Scientists warn that the southern segment, dormant for over 300 years, is particularly ripe for a catastrophic rupture. Envision the scenario. The ground violently shakes, buildings crumble, and infrastructure fails across Southern California, including the densely populated Los Angeles area. The aftermath would be a blend of humanitarian, economic, and logistical crises, with reverberations felt nationwide. The San Andreas Fault's earthquake is not a question of if, but when, making it a grim reminder of our planet's restless nature. The Helina Slump, a colossal section of Hawaii's Kilauea volcano, poses an ominous threat beneath the Pacific. This massive landmass, if dislodged, could trigger one of the most devastating natural disasters. a mega tsunami. The slump's precarious position on the volcano's southern flank means it's constantly inching towards the ocean, teetering on the brink of collapse. Should it break free, it would send an unimaginable volume of rock plummeting into the sea, unleashing a tsunami of catastrophic proportions. The resulting waves, reaching across the Pacific, could devastate coastal cities far beyond Hawaii, from Japan to the west coast of America. The Helina Slump's potential for destruction showcases the frightening power of geological instabilities lurking beneath our feet. Amidst the cosmic dance of celestial bodies, the threat of a significant asteroid impact looms large. These rocky remnants from the solar system's formation, when set on a collision course with Earth, have the potential to unleash unimaginable destruction. A substantial asteroid impact could mirror the cataclysm that once doomed the dinosaurs, sending shockwaves across the globe. Picture this: tsunamis sweeping across continents, dust clouds obscuring the sun, leading to a nuclear winter effect that devastates global agriculture. The unpredictability of these space rocks adds to the peril, as their detection and tracking remain a challenge. An asteroid strike is a reminder of our vulnerability in the vastness of space and the potential fragility of life on our blue planet. Venturing to the seemingly tranquil waters of the North Sea, we uncover the potential for a disaster that defies expectations: a devastating tsunami. Historically, about 6,000 years ago, a massive submarine landslide, triggered by rapid climate change and melting ice, caused a colossal tsunami in this region. Today, with the ongoing effects of climate change, the likelihood of a similar event looms. Imagine a sudden, massive displacement of water, unleashing waves that could reach extraordinary heights, inundating coastal areas of Scotland, Norway, and potentially even reaching as far as London. The North Sea tsunami threat stands as a stark reminder of how climate change can awaken ancient, dormant dangers, posing new challenges in unexpected places. In the seismically active region of Chile lies the potential for a catastrophic megathrust earthquake, a threat that looms ominously over the South American nation. Originating from the subduction zone where the Nazca Plate dives beneath the South American plate, this region is no stranger to seismic activity. A megathrust earthquake here would be monumental, possibly exceeding magnitude 8. The 2014 earthquake off Chile's northwest coast, which relieved only a fraction of the tectonic tension, is a harrowing prelude to what could come. Such an event would not only devastate Chile with widespread destruction and tsunamis, but also send shockwaves through the Pacific Ring of Fire, potentially triggering a chain reaction of seismic activity across the globe. In the vast expanse of our galaxy, black holes, the enigmatic devourers of light and matter, pose a threat of cosmic proportions. The closest black hole, estimated to be 40 to 80 light-years away, could disrupt our solar system if it were to venture closer. A black hole's intense gravitational pull could distort Earth's orbit, unleashing catastrophic climatic changes and seismic events. The process of spaghettification, where the black hole's tidal forces stretch and compress objects, could even disintegrate our planet. While the odds are astronomically low, the mere existence of these cosmic giants reminds us of the unpredictable and powerful forces that govern our universe and the fragility of our place within it.